For question 2011, question 30, there are two cars that start in the same position and they accelerate with different acceleration. Now, after a period of time, they both travel a distance of d. Now the question is asking us the final speed of car B. Now let's represent the information using a graph. We have the initial velocity, the final velocity, the acceleration, and the distance travel for both car A and car B. They both start with no motion, so the initial velocity is all equal to 0. For car A, it reached final velocity of v. For car B, it's v sub b. Since A has twice the acceleration as B, if B is u, then A is 2u. They both travel the distance of d. Now, since the acceleration is constant, we can use this equation. The final velocity squared minus the initial velocity squared is equal to 2 times acceleration times the distance traveled. So now let's apply this equation to both two cars. For car A, v squared minus 0 squared is equal to 2 times 2u times d. For car B, v sub b squared minus 0 squared is equal to 2 times u times d. Now let's simplify both equations. V squared is equal to 4ud, and v sub b squared is equal to 2ud. So vb squared over v squared is equal to 2ud over 4ud. The ud can cancel out, and 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. So vb squared is equal to v squared over 2. And if we find the square of roots of both sides, vb is going to equal to square 2 over 2 times v. So the answer is D.